In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meal plan in Notion. If you want a simple and organized way to plan your meals, save time during the week, and make grocery shopping easier, this setup will help you do exactly that. We will walk through the process step by step, keeping everything clear and beginner-friendly so you can confidently use a meal planner that actually fits into your daily routine. To get started, open Notion on your desktop or directly in your browser. Once you are inside your workspace, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Marketplace. This is where Notion stores ready-made templates that you can instantly add to your workspace. At the top of the Templates panel, you will see a search bar. Type Meal Planner and wait for the results to load. Several templates will appear, but for this tutorial, choose a meal planner that follows a simple and clean workflow. Avoid anything that looks overly complicated, especially if you are just starting out. Click on the template to preview how it is structured. Take a moment to look at the layout and sections. When you are happy with the setup, click the Add button. Notion will immediately duplicate the entire template into your workspace, including all databases and views. Now that the template is added, let us walk through how it works. Start by clicking on the Meals section. This is where all individual meals or recipes are stored. Here you can add new meals, write down ingredients, include cooking instructions, and tag meals by category such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Keeping this section updated makes the rest of the planner work smoothly. Next, click on the Meal Planner view. This is where you assign meals to specific days of the week. Choose a day or date, then select the meal you want to eat. This view helps you see your entire week at a glance, making it easier to stay consistent and avoid last-minute decisions. After that, click on the Grocery section. This area is connected to your meals database. When meals are planned, their ingredients can be added directly to your shopping list. Inside the Groceries view, click Add to Shopping List for each meal or ingredient you want included. The list updates automatically as you go, even when planning multiple meals. Finally, switch your grocery list view to By category. This groups items like produce, dairy, and pantry goods together, making shopping faster and more organized. You now have a complete meal planning system inside Notion, from planning meals to generating a categorized grocery list. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.